That was wonderful. Wednesday, 3rd of June 2020. The time is 5:45, 17:45 hours. I've just finished this meal of steamed broccoli, pumpkin and carrots with oil-free Hollandaise sauce. As they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, so I finished the whole lot. I made about 500 milliliters of the sauce. That's about half a liter, which was really generous for a whole plate of steamed vegetables. It was delicious. If I were to do it again, I'd probably put a little bit more mustard. I had used Dijon mustard instead of mustard powder because I can't find any at Aeon or any other supermarket, not even at Big. Anyway, the other thing was the milk. I'd use 1 scoop of this stuff, millet milk, and 1 scoop of oat milk with my mix, 1 tablespoon of my mixed seeds, pumpkin, watermelon and sunflower, and a whole packet of sunflower, Tong Garden sunflower seeds. I didn't have turmeric powder, so I used sambar powder instead. Sambar powder is mostly turmeric, but it also has chili powder, cumin and fennel in it as well. I should have added some black pepper because the black pepper would have made the curcumin in the turmeric more bioavailable. What else? I couldn't be bothered to measure out 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I used the juice of 1 whole lemon. That's fine. It's not too sour. I can taste acidity, but it's not overpowering, so that's perfect. I used 3 potatoes. I did weigh them with my electronic weighing scale. They were about 250 grams, so that's about 8 ounces. What else did I use? Oh yeah, I didn't peel the potatoes. I used them with the skin because 90% of the nutritional value is in the skin. I think that's it. Basically, I followed the recipe. I wanted to use up the millet milk and oat grain milk powder, so I used that. Then I realized what makes the consistency is actually the reaction between the acid, the lemon juice, and protein. So I wasn't sure whether millet and oat had enough protein because they're mostly grains, so they probably have more starch than protein. So that's why I added the seeds. And it worked a treat. Okay, the only thing is the sauce lacked a little bit of punch, and I think it's because instead of using mustard powder, I'd use whole Dijon mustard. So I should use 2 or 3 teaspoons of that, and it would give it a nice oomph and it'll be perfect. So anyway, I'm not disappointed. I'm very pleased. It just like the oomph that I normally do, even though I did put some black pepper, ground black pepper powder and cracked black pepper on top. And I even put a few turns of Kampot white pepper, this stuff, okay? But it wasn't the pepper, it just needed some other taste to give it a perfect taste profile. Okay, that's it for today. Wednesday, 3rd of June 2020. See you next time. Bye.